welcome to Official Mathematics channel. On previous episode, we have seen some examples on the multiplication of fractions. Today, in this episode, I'm going to show you how can we perform division of fractions. Without any further ado, let's look at the following examples. Okay, let's look at the first example on the division of fraction. So if I give you this question, 9 over 19 divided by 3. So how are we going to solve this question? So basically for division of fraction, so we need to change the divide sign to times, okay? So after we change to times, right? Then here at the back here is 3. So we need to flip this 3. So become, actually here 3 is 3 over 1, isn't it? So if you write this 3, actually it's 3 divided by 1. Then we need to flip the fraction at the back. So here will become 1 over 3. Okay, and this 3 and 9, we know that we can simplify these two numbers. Then that means this one I can divide it by 3, I will get 1. Here I divided by 3, I will get 3. So our final answer will be 3 times 1 is 3 over 19 times 1 is 19. Okay, so 3 over 19 as our final answer. Okay, so what about the second example here? So if I give you 15 over 38 divided by 5. Alright, so same as the first question just now. So we need to change divide sign to multiply, right? So after we change to multiply, then this one 5, actually is 5 over 1. We need to flip this over. So flip it upside down. Then here we get 1 over 5, right? And then this 5 and 15 we can simplify. So 5 and 15 we can divide it by 5, right? So here will become 1, here will become 3. And 3 times 1 is 3, 38 times 1 will be 38. Okay, so far so good, yeah? And the next example here, so what if the whole number is in front? So let's say for example 8 divided by 7 over 5. Okay, so for this case, right, you don't go and write this 8 is 8 over 1, no. So we need to change the fraction at the back. Okay, so here actually we'll get 8 times, then this fraction we need to change it upside down. So here will become 5 over 7, right? And then the final answer here actually is 8 times 5 is 40, right? Then actually here we have over 1 here. Then 1 times 7 is 7. Then eventually we can change this to mixed fraction. So this one you can write this way. So yeah, so 7 times 5 you'll get 35, isn't it? Then you minus it, you have 5. So our final answer will be 5 whole and 5 over 7. Right? Okay, so the next example number 4. So if let's say, what about this one? 6 over 7 divided by 3 over 8. Okay, so the purpose of division of fraction is we need to change the fraction at the back, right? So change the divide sign become times. Then this one we flip upside down. So here become 8 over 3. Okay, and this 3 and 6 we can simplify. So here we have 1. And here we have 2, right? And then 2 times 8 is 16. Then 7 times 1 is 7. Then eventually you change this to mixed number. So I will get 2. Then here is 7. Here is 2, right? So because we know you get 16. So here 2 times 7 is 14 plus 2 is 16, right? So this is our final answer. Okay, so the last example here I'm going to give you here is what about we divide the mixed number, both mixed number together. So 9 1 over 5 divided by 4 3 over 5. Okay, so the best way of solving this question actually is you need to change these two fractions to become improper fraction. Okay, so we can times this and then plus the number on top, right? Times the denominator and then plus the numerator on top. Okay, so here 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. 46 over 5. Okay, here we don't change to times first. Okay, we maintain the same, remain the same. Then here, right, so 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, over 5. Then eventually here we can start to change our fraction at the back. So change to times here. Then this one we can flip this over. So it will become 5 over. Let me write it properly here. Okay, so here is a 5 over 23. Alright, then these two we can cancel. then we become 1. And here actually we can divide these two numbers by 23, right? So after we divide by 23, here will become 1, here is 2, right? So final answer is 2 times 1 over 1 times 1, which is 2. Okay? Well, okay, so the following questions are the exercise for your reference. Okay, so you can try all these exercise. So let's look at the exercise, the questions here. So let's try this out. 2 over 3 divided by 5. Number 7 is 3 over 4 divided by 2. And then 5 over 8 divided by 5 over 2. Number 9 will be 15, 2 over 5 divided by 3, 1 over 3. And the last question will be 4, 3 over 5 divided by 1, 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5. Okay? So happy trying, and you all might post the answer at the blank space. Okay? Here comes to the end of this video. If you like this video, like it, share it among your friends, and most importantly is subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I will see you on the next video. See you soon. Take care. Bye.